Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished up Jeff's bike, and the shipper came and picked it up last night. Jeff did the entire build, following our videos. The wiring was perfect. Everything was mounted securely, everything was labeled, everything was tested taped, everything was tech flex. It was a flawless install. He literally just shipped us the bike to get rid of the turn-on pop and to give the bike proper tune. While we had the bike, he decided to add a set of Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers into the saddlebags to complete the sound. I'm glad he trusted us. Thank you, Jeff. Check out this build. His wiring is literally perfect. What we do is not magic. If you take your time, you have the ability, and you know how to solder, you could do a really, really good build and honestly do a better job than some of these shops out there. Jeff is proof of this. Check out the build. It looks and sounds awesome. Jeff's build ended up being an Nvs Audio Stage 3 with an additional 400.4 to run the horns on the bike. So the entire bike was all Diamond Audio Neo mids with Diamond Audio MO75 horns. So he did for the amplifiers, did two Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4s and then a 400.4. He's got the Diamond Audio horn grills in the replacement grills. In the fairing, he's got the Diamond Audio 6.5 Neos. In the lid, he has the tweeter bridge from Diamond Audio with the MO75s, and then he's got the 6x9 Neos in the lids. In the saddlebags, we went with the Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers. So we have one 800.4 bridge to run the mid-bass drivers. The other 800.4 runs the 6x9 woofers and the 6.5-inch woofers in the front, and the 400.4 runs the 4 horns. On this one, we went with a Rockford DSR1 DSP, and everything, we flashed the radio, and the bike was RTA tuned.
Día en la discoteca, de pa' y agua pa' la seca, todo el mundo en patilla.